Hi friends, and welcome again to 560th video of MA Logics, where we daily practice complex and brain-teaser math problems. One of them is today's Math Olympiad question, which many of the math experts got fails to nail it. Okay, let's move to the question. Question is, whole under root of 9 minus under root of 8. Can you solve it before the video goes end? But keep in mind, this is Math Olympiad question. If you don't know, no worries. Just keep here with me. We will solve it together. You should only know this trick to solve it easily instead of getting confused. All right, its solution is as. Focus here. Here are two numbers 9 and 8. The numbers are giving clue and screaming that, hey, man, start from us. Okay, we know 3 squared equals 9. So we replace it with 9. And 8 equals 4 times 2. So also replace it with 4 times 2. Our next step be like, this square will cut with this square root, and we left with whole under root of this 3. Okay, we replace this 4 with its 2 squared. So under root 2 squared times 2. Friends, as we know that when there are two numbers are multiplying in same under root, then we can write them sparingly. So whole under root of 3 minus under root of 2 squared times under root of 2. In next step, square will cut with under root, so right here 3 minus 2 times under root of 2. Hello, are you with me, right? Here, to simplify our question, we will transform it like in the form of this formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to ab whole squared. Now we will implement this formula to transform our current scenario to more simplification. Replace this 3 with 2 plus 1. Minus 2 times under root 2. Okay, here we will add under root of 1, because we have to reshape it to get our required formula form, and it has no impact on the structure of the statement as like under root 2 times under root 1 equals under root 2. Do you understand? Very nice. Okay, keep your eyes here. Whole under root of 2. Now shift this plus 1 after these 2 times under root of 2 times under root of 1. And now write this 1. Understand this step? We just shuffle the numbers with their signs. According to the math rules, we can change the position of numbers as stated in associative law. Actually, why we did these all rearrangements just to match with this formula structure. A square minus 2ab plus b square, so that you may not get confused. Pay attention here, friends. Now our statement as according to this formula, so we can write it as under root of 2 minus under root of 1 whole squared. Now you'll be thinking that where from that under root comes, right? Actually, here we needed square of the number, but we had simple 2. So we can take its under root so that square and under root cut out each other, and our statement remains safe. Wait, let me clear your confusion. I expanded in front of you. Under root of 2 minus under root of 1 whole squared equals under root 2 squared minus 2. Here assume these two numbers like a and b for negative 2ab. So negative 2 into under root of 2 times under root of 1 plus under root of 1 square, which is exactly same as our this equation, right? Now cut this square with this under root, and we left with 2 minus 2 times under root of 2 times under root of 1. They cut each other, and we have 1. Now understand what I actually did in those steps. Okay, return to our main solution. This whole square and this under root, cut them up. And we left with under root of 2 minus under root of 1. Now also check their mod, so that our answer get more clarify. As we know, under root of 2 equals to the 1.414, which is positive value. Hence, under root of 2 minus 1 is our final and correct answer for the question stated above. Math is not a difficult subject. Only we need to focus on the problem deeply, because every question has a clue in itself. Just you have to decode it step by step, and solution bring to you as a piece of cake. If you like this video and understand my method, then don't forget to like and share with your fellows and family students. Subscribe to stay tuned for more upcoming informative videos.